Hello traders, this is E for MarketWizards.com and eminywizard.com. Just wanted to bring to you a little update about a course that we're going to run in the very near future. It'll be starting right after Labor Day. And of course, we're going to put our typical disclosures out there to make sure that everybody is aware that trading is a risky proposition and you should be using a discretionary income that you can afford to lose. NinjaTrader has got a very elegant introduction to their program if you act by August 31st. So check out their new program that they're offering commission free for September to encourage traders to sign up, $1,000 minimum. I recommend you take a look at that. Going to review a couple of things that you may want to look at. This is going to be on our website, and I'm just doing a quick overview of some of the things that you may want to take a look at and see if this course that we are going to run for a few days right after Labor Day, if you have any interest in it, let us know. We have just turned risk and reward upside down, and by that I mean that I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. We're having an open house, and Zeke hopefully will be there with me, and we'll be doing this from the 4th through the 7th. This is a free program. Anybody wants to learn more about us and how we trade, come take a look. We'll be opening the doors around 9:15, go to about 11:15. The war room will be open 24/7, but that's when we will focus on trying to help some of you learn a little more about what we are doing. We do believe that trading is simple but not easy. And anyone who has interest, please register according to the details on our website. You'll also get exposed to the e-widget while you're there, see us use that tool and how it helps us. And you'll learn a little more about our philosophy and us. And obviously this will also showcase the widget. This is not going to be a sales presentation. It's going to be more of a hands-on action workshop where we'll be using these tools and you'll get to see them in action. This is E signing off for MarketWizards.com and eminywizard.com. Thanks for listening. Have yourself a great day.